how to use BandLab. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video, I will tell you how you guys can use BandLab app. So for that, you guys simply download it. Once you download it, now click on BandLab app. Now here we will wait for some seconds. Here you guys can see sign up with email us, so you guys can see Google, Facebook option. So I will simply use Google. You guys can use your email or Facebook account. So let's sign up. After that, I will simply click on agree and share. Now here you say username, so I simply write my username. After that, click on next. Here you guys will see guitarist, like it says, tell us more about. Select the one that you are. For example, I am songwriter. Now I will simply click on next. Here you guys can pick your favorite genre, so we simply use pop-up, hip-hop, and also rock. Now I will click on next. Here you guys can simply add your artist, but you guys can skip that part, so simply I will skip that. Now I will click on next. Here I will see maybe letter, but it's upon you. Once you sign up here, you guys can see monthly subscription up there and annual, but it's upon you. If you want to subscribe, you guys can cancel anytime. Here I will simply cross it. Now for making my music, you see I will simply click on plus icon. When I click on that icon, here it will be I see my projects where I collaborate and brown projects. Also I will see like music. Also, I will see my Druid projects. So for full tutorial, you guys can search on YouTube, but that was beginner tutorial to create account of BandLab and how you guys can use it. Thanks for watching.